Be on YouTube without showing your face? It's possible. Stay put because this video will show you how. Hello everyone, this is Elena. Welcome to my e-class in Bytes, a channel dedicated to educate, to explore, and to empower through tips and how-tos for the new normal. I believe in making every choice better, and you definitely made the right choice by watching this video. If you're new to this channel, I'll very much appreciate that you subscribe and click the bell to be notified of my fresh uploads every week. This video is part of my YouTube for Beginners series I have this month, where I share tips on how to start your journey as a YouTuber. I have already done several videos on this topic, and if you haven't seen them, wait till the end of the video and I will share the links on the end screen. I'm also new at this and I'm sharing these tips based on my personal experiences as an educator starting this small channel. This pandemic gave an opportunity for some people to try their luck on YouTube. Because we were forced to stay at home and we have so much time in our hands, I, for example, decided to give it a try. It is a misconception that in order to be a YouTuber, you need to be in front of the camera. In reality, there are many YouTube channels out there that don't show their faces but are successful on their channels. So this video aims to give you ideas on how to start your channel even if you are a shy person like me. Yes, we can do this. Introverts, unite! Idea number 1, tutorials. As an educator, this is one of the best types of channels to do. Sharing your knowledge about a certain subject or software can be a great opportunity to be on YouTube. YouTube is a search engine for people who want to learn something. And by doing tutorials, you can find an audience that will appreciate how you teach a particular topic that they can easily understand. Like what I am doing here on my channel, I share the knowledge I have about edtech tools that students and teachers can use in their learning or teaching through PowerPoint slides, screen recordings, and my voice only. Idea number 2, DIYs and how-tos. Similar to tutorials, this type of channel is focused on teaching or showing how to make a certain thing. It can be crafts or repairs, or whatever it is that you want to teach. Sometimes, voice isn't even required. You can add text during the editing process of your video, as well as background music to add variety. Number 3, unboxing videos. This type of video is more on showing stuff. For example, you have a new phone or an appliance. You can record the process of you freshly taking it out of the box. These videos are very entertaining because you are including your audience in the excitement of checking out a new product. Other people love watching videos like this because it gives them ideas about a certain product before they personally buy them. These videos can also be with or without voice. So do these ideas get you encouraged to make your own YouTube channel? Are you finding value on this video? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video after watching. Don't leave because I still have a few ideas to share. Idea number 4, reviews. It can be about a book, a movie, a TV series, or even a particular app or gadget, also known as tech reviews. Giving reviews is an awesome way to start a channel. It's your own opinion, your personal experience, and for sure, there is an audience that can relate to yours. You attract your tribe. Idea number 5, ASMR videos. The first time I watched an ASMR video, it felt weird but fun for me. ASMR means Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It is a massive and growing trend in YouTube. It is a relaxing, often sedative sensation that begins on the scalp and moves down the body. Also known as brain massage, it's triggered by placid sights and sounds such as whispers, accents, and crackles. You might want to give this type a try. Who knows, you may end up liking it. No need to show your face, just focus on the sounds. These are just some of the ideas on how to be on YouTube without being on camera and showing your face. There are many types of niches out there that you can explore for yourself. And maybe in time, when we are more confident, we'll get that courage to be in front of the camera. In the meantime, be content with the sound of my voice. Big shout out to TubeBuddy. This app helps me on tracking my milestones and searching for tags and keywords that can also help you with your videos. It's the app buddy you need on this YouTube journey. I have a link below if you want to try this app for yourself. More videos to click here about YouTube for beginners. Just remember to make every choice better. See you on my next video.